This is the fixed beam calculator for uniform and point loads, which calculates deflections and moments for beams with both ends fixed. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your load type from the drop-down menu. You can choose either point load at center or uniform distributed load. For this example, I'm using point load at center. Next, enter your beam length L in the first field, then input your load P or W value. Note that P represents point load and W represents distributed load. Enter your modulus of elasticity E, and finally input your moment of inertia I. For our example, I'll enter 10 for beam length, 10 for the load value, 10 for modulus of elasticity, and 10 for moment of inertia. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The maximum deflection is 5.208 E1, which occurs at the beam center. The end moments equal 1.250 E plus 1, representing the fixed moments at both supports. The center moment is negative 1.250 E plus 1, indicating the moment at midspan. The calculator also notes that maximum stress should be calculated separately using sigma equals mi over I. This tool streamlines your fixed beam analysis. Find the link in the description below.